Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. In this video, we will be learning how to mute Instagram messages. If you want to mute Instagram messages, then the process is quite easy. Whether it's a group chat or a single chat, you can easily mute anyone on Instagram. First of all, open the Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on the messages icon, which will be located at the top right corner from the home page. Inside your messages tab, go ahead and select the name of the person or group you want to mute and swipe left on them. In the pop-up, click on the three dots and click on mute. Now you have options to mute messages or mute calls. In order to mute messages, toggle on the button right next to mute messages and you can then select the time duration until when you'd like to mute the person. You can choose between 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours or until you change it. After making the selection, you will then be able to mute the contact. You will see a little bell with a cross in it right next to the contacts chat. So that's how you mute someone on Instagram easily. It is super helpful if you want less distraction without leaving or blocking the chat. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.